So you want to learn how to shrink and eliminate fibroids naturally, but you don't know where to start or what to do next? If this is you, you've come to the right place. The first step to shrink and eliminate fibroids includes identifying the primary and secondary causes of fibroid development. The next step is understanding what you need to do to combat those causes. And the last step includes generating a simple healing plan that works for you. Fibroid is a prevalent issue for many women worldwide. Although non-cancerous, it is a problem that needs much attention due to its severe impact on women's gynecological and general health. Although the exact cause of fibroid development is still unknown, many studies and evidence show that a prolonged disturbance in the body, which creates hormonal imbalance, is the main cause of this condition. Hormonal imbalance occurs when there's too much or too little of a certain hormone in the bloodstream. And the two hormones that are responsible for fibroid development are estrogen and progesterone, especially excessive estrogen and insufficient progesterone. Now that we know the primary cause of fibroid development, which is hormonal imbalance, what are the secondary causes of fibroid development, which is the cause of hormonal imbalance? Many women suffering from fibroid problems often have estrogen dominance. And estrogen dominance affects a woman's body in many displeasing ways, such as heavy menstrual bleeding, between period bleeding, infertility problems, miscarriages, anemia, mood swings, anxiety and depression, bloating, constipation, even migraines, to name a few. Hormonal imbalance or estrogen dominance occurs due to these 5 factors: gut dysbiosis, poor liver health, chronic stress, poor Western diet, and exposure to toxic chemicals known as xenoestrogens. Your gut transports food from your mouth to your stomach. It converts it into absorbable forms that enters into the bloodstream, delivering nutrients throughout your body, storing energy, and shuttling wastes out of your body. A healthy gut plays a significant role in maintaining balanced hormones because it synthesizes and regulates hormones and neurotransmitters transported in tissue fluids such as blood or sap. As a result, it stimulates specific cells or tissues into action, leading to optimal health for women with balanced hormones or the onset of health issues for women with hormonal imbalance. The gut microbiome consists of numerous microorganisms, which includes healthy bacteria and infectious agents like parasites, fungi, and viruses. These microbes coexist peacefully throughout the body without issues in a healthy human. We all have a unique network of microorganisms, which our DNA initially determines. Your first exposure to microorganism was as an infant during your delivery in the birth canal and your mother's breast milk. So the kind of microorganisms you were exposed to solely depends on the kind of species that existed in your mother. However, as you grow older, environmental factors and diet choices may alter your microbes to benefit your health or put you at a greater risk for developing health issues like fibroids. Like I mentioned earlier, both the healthy bacterials and infectious agents coexist in a typical healthy body without issues. But dysbiosis may disrupt that regular interaction of microbes when that balance is disturbed by one of these factors. As a result, the body may become more susceptible to infectious agents such as viruses, fungi, or parasites, potentially leading to fibroid development. If you undergo frequent bloating, constipation, diarrhea, nausea, stomach pain, and passing gas frequently, you may be experiencing gut dysbiosis. The liver is one of the essential organs of the digestive system. Among other functions, the liver cells produce byproducts that break giant fat cells, like estrogens, into smaller ones, for the body to efficiently digest, absorb, and eliminate waste from the body through stool and urine. Any obstruction of the liver's ability to function efficiently due to these factors may interfere with these processes and risk estrogen dominance. Although some of these factors are challenging to manage, maintaining a healthy weight and consuming alcohol beverages responsibly is an excellent start to preserving a healthy functioning liver. What if the liver functions at its peak and processes estrogens for elimination, but you are experiencing signs of gut dysbiosis, such as constipation? The processed estrogens may not be making its way out, instead going back into circulation and causing havoc to your body, such as fibroids development, hormonal weight gain, and other health issues. Chronic stress is another factor that impacts hormonal imbalance by overworking the adrenals to the extent that they cannot produce enough cortisol for the body to function adequately. As a result, the adrenals steal its precursor hormones, progesterone, in order to make more stress hormones, leading to hormonal imbalance, such as estrogen dominance. Chronic stress also affects your gut health, resulting in symptoms like constipation or delayed stomach emptying. For example, during stressful situations, your body's adrenal gland also releases a hormone known as epinephrine. This hormone is a crucial player in the fight or flight response, which triggers the body to redirect blood flow from the intestines towards essential organs like the brain, the lungs, and the heart. As a result, your intestinal functions slow down and you may begin to experience signs of gut dysbiosis like constipation, which, as you know, also contributes to estrogen dominance. Poor diet is one of the most common and biggest factor of hormonal imbalance and fibroids development. A healthy digestive system maintains a healthy gut, which promotes a healthy functioning body. Vitamins are organic compounds that are crucial in small amounts for aiding normal physiological functions, such as cofactors for enzymes. However, diet is the primary source of vitamins because your body cannot produce them sufficiently to meet your daily needs. Deficiency in nutrients like the B vitamins, zinc, magnesium, protein, and the omegas may affect your liver's ability to metabolize estrogens effectively. Vitamin deficiency increases the risk of chronic health conditions commonly found with poor Western diets that lack or are low in nutrients that are essential for good health. This is why supplementing vitamins and minerals to meet your daily needs, especially if your diet lacks it, is very critical to shrink and eliminate fibroids. The next factor that affects estrogen dominance is an environmental toxins known as xenoestrogen. Toxins are prevalent in our homes and communities. Unfortunately, most people are unaware of the harmful substances that they ingest daily. Many women, including myself, consume and use products containing toxins known as xenoestrogen. This compound mimics the effect of estrogen in your body and promotes its production. Compared to estrogen, these toxins is 1,000 times more powerful and harmful to your body. And fat cells store these chemicals when consumed or come into contact with your body. As a result, you may develop fibroids or other health issues due to excessive estrogen. Products containing xenoestrogens may include tap water, birth control pills, furnitures, makeups and nail polishes, sunscreens, fragrances, artificial food dyes, pesticide-sprayed food, BPA plastic products such as containers and water bottles. Some of these products may be hard to avoid. However, limiting the toxins around you and frequently detoxifying your liver may improve your hormonal balance and enhance your efforts to shrink and eliminate fibroids. Now that we've identified the 5 aspects of fibroid development, such as the 5 causes of hormonal imbalance, let's dive into the 5 elements of healing fibroids, which will combat those causes. And by the way, if you're getting any value from this video, please let me know by hitting the like and subscribe button. And you can also share this video with anyone you know who is dealing with fibroid condition. Let's get back to it. Symptoms of gut dysbiosis, like constipation, significantly contributes to the development of fibroids. Preserving the gut ecosystem involves maintaining a healthy digestive system through several elements, one of which is eating nutritious and fiber-rich diets. Another element that you need to implement to maintain a healthy gut includes exercising frequently. Physical activities moves your colon, which promotes regular bowel movement and decrease the chances of constipation and estrogen dominance. Because chronic stress promotes gut dysbiosis and estrogen dominance, managing your stress level with natural herbs and frequent physical activities will boost your efforts to shrink and eliminate fibroids. Also, limit your alcohol and caffeine intake because they are both digestive stimulants that can disrupt the normal flow of the digestive processes, as well as including prebiotics like this will help improve the colonization of your good gut bacteria. Over time, fat and toxins may build up in your liver and slow down your metabolism. To kickstart your metabolism again, here are 3 things that you can do. First, you need to exercise frequently to maintain a healthy weight. Fibroids develop and grow by feeding on fat cells. Therefore, maintaining a healthy weight will decrease the chances of estrogen dominance and fibroid development. The second way to maintain a healthy liver is by using natural herbs to support, strengthen, and detoxify the liver frequently. Another way to improve your liver health includes using multivitamin containing vitamin A, the B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, as well as zinc and magnesium, and a blend of omegas will help your liver function at its peak. You can also easily fix poor diet problem by getting accustomed to these 2 fibroid healing elements: healthy diet and supplements. A healthy, nutritious diet is the primary source of vitamins and minerals because your body cannot produce them sufficiently to meet your daily needs. Therefore, eating foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals is essential to supply your body with the necessary nutrients that it needs to shrink and eliminate fibroids. However, no matter how much healthy, nutritious food you eat, you can't get all the nutrients that your body needs just from your diet. This is where supplementing multivitamins comes in to make up for those nutrients not supplied in your diet. Stress is a part of life and you cannot avoid it, but you can manage it by exercising frequently, using natural herbs, and practicing mindfulness and meditation. While diet is one of the critical components of healing fibroids, exercising also enhances balanced hormones and promotes regular bowel movements. Different types of exercises benefits the body in several ways. For example, consistent exercising increases the amount of endorphin in the body, which is the feel-good hormone that is also a natural painkiller. It helps the body fight off fibroid-related symptoms like pelvic pain and also emotional issues like depression and anxiety. Aerobic exercises help the body process sugar and carbs for fuel and prevent high insulin levels. It also promotes general gynecological health by enabling your body's natural cleansing system, hormone production, and oxygen delivery. On the other hand, when you perform anaerobic exercises, you are less likely to consume a lot of oxygen. Therefore, weight training utilizes fat for fuel, which is a great way for us to cut down on fat in our body. Also, stretching more regularly will help rid your body of toxins and oxygenate your body thoroughly. So I'm thinking of making a simple but effective fibroid healing exercises and stretching videos. So let me know in the comment section if that's something you would be interested in. All right, let's get back to it. The second element you can implement to manage chronic stress is by using herbal remedies like adaptogens, which are great in managing stress. These herbs are essential because they help restore overall balance and strengthen your body's functioning without affecting the balance of your body system or organs. Chronic stress and emotional issues throw the body system off balance. When you feel calm and relaxed, your nervous system naturally slows down your breathing. When you experience anxiety and fear, your body automatically goes into fight or flight in response to survival, leading to shortness of breath. Any obstruction to your regular breathing system causes the pelvic floor to remain active, leading to tensed muscles and pelvic pain. So sometimes your fibroid-related symptoms like pelvic pain might have less to do with your fibroid condition and more to do with your stress level. Mindfulness and meditation are great tools to deal with past traumas that may have created unconscious emotional issues, such as relationship situations relating to physical, emotional, and mental abuse that is buried deep inside. Just like a healthy gut communicates with your brain through nerves and hormones, resulting in overall health and well-being. A stress-free living and emotional stability is crucial in your fibroid healing journey. Now that you know xenoestrogen is everywhere and almost unavoidable, the best thing you can do to manage your exposure to these toxins is change. Change is hard, but small changes like eating organic foods, using glasswares instead of plasticwares, filtering your sink water are all excellent ways to boost your fibroid healing journey. During my fibroid healing journey, I used 3 elements to help manage my exposure to xenoestrogens, such as natural herbs, healthy diet, and a change of lifestyle. Natural herbs help to detoxify, support, and strengthen the liver, to process and eliminate excessive estrogen from your body. Eating nutritious and organic foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers not only feed your body with the proper nutrients they need to function better, but also ensures proper waste removal from your body, such as processed excessive estrogens. Adjusting my lifestyle was a massive factor in my fibroid healing journey. I remember the first day I took an inventory to the products I had in my house containing xenoestrogens. I was amazed at the amount of products, especially my skincare products, that contained xenoestrogen. So I had to do away with all of that, and instead, I started making my own skincare products and body soap. Minimizing the amount of xenoestrogen your body is exposed to on a regular basis is critical. So trying to make your own soap, bathing soap, or hand soap, or filtering your sink water and making your skincare products like body butter and whatever you use on your skin is a massive factor in your fibroid healing journey. My skin automatically became more radiant than when I used to buy commercial skincare products. I don't know why that is, but I know that being in control of what I put in my body is one huge factor that really helped me heal and eliminate fibroids from my system. Making your own skincare products will not only benefit your skin, but also save you some money. The amount of money that I spent buying my serums and body lotions, when I use that same money to buy products to make my own skincare products, those products lasted way longer than what I used to use before. So I save more money now than I usually do. I don't make skincare products every month. My skincare products could last 5 to 6 months because I make them in bulk, and that is something you can do and save you some money and also benefit your health as well. And also using glassware containers to store your foods and using insulated bottled water to store your beverages will boost your fibroid healing journey. Now that you've learned how to combat hormonal imbalance, which is the primary cause of fibroid development, your next step is to watch these 3 videos, which will show you the specific carbohydrates, proteins, fats, supplements such as vitamins and minerals, and natural herbs that would help boost your fibroid healing journey. And that's all I have for this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Until then, bye for now.